to the eFile site. This easy-to-use site makes the process of filing your information returns convenient and affordable, all while guaranteeing that your data is filed on time. Electronic filing is quickly becoming the preferred method for filing 1099s, W-2s, and other IRS business tax forms due to its accuracy and speed. Some of the key benefits of e-filing include managing multiple payers of one account, no requirement for paper forms or software, and the capacity to import data from multiple file types, such as our Excel template or from Xero and QuickBooks. This video shows you in 3 simple steps just how easy it is to file your information returns. Step 1 is creating an account or logging in. Click to create an account and enter your email address. Then we will send you an email and you can set up a password. If you don't see an email in your inbox, please check your spam folder or quarantined emails. Step 2 is setting up payers and recipients. Once you've created your account, but before filing tax forms, you must set up payers and recipients. While you can upload the data via Excel, Xero, and QuickBooks, in this video we will use manual entry. From the dashboard, select Add New from the Payers tab on the left-hand side of the screen. On the Add Payer page, enter the payer's information and click Save. On the Payers page, click on the payer and click on Add Recipient and add the recipient information and click Save. Step 3. Click on the Filings icon on the left-hand side and choose Start Filing. Next, choose the form you want to create from the drop-down menu. Select the payer and the recipient. Then on the right side of the screen, enter the applicable tax information in the appropriate data fields and click Save. You will be moved to the Forms in Progress screen. You can verify the information you entered by selecting the forms you want to review and clicking Print Preview. This option will let you see a draft of the forms you created. You can save the preview form as a PDF and have your payers and/or recipients review it prior to officially submitting your forms. This will help to prevent errors. Once you've verified your information, simply select the forms that you're ready to file. Choose your service option from the drop-down, which is eFile Print and Mail Only, and eFile Only, and then click on Add to Cart. Next, click Proceed to Checkout. Here you will enter your billing and payment information. Enter Save and Continue when complete. Now that you've created your payers and recipients, the next time you log in, you'll be automatically directed to the dashboard. From here, you can easily navigate throughout the site as well as view the most recent filing activity for the current tax year. The dashboard allows you to quickly access your payers, recipients, and to create a form, import forms, or connect to software. Importing forms is quicker than manually entering data if you have multiple forms to create. The dashboard also provides a summary of the top payers, showing what forms you have in progress, the cart, and filed. You can also access reports on the left-hand side of the dashboard. The summary report can be run by form status and payer, and the totals report can be sorted by form status and by invoice number or payer name. It's that easy. Now that you've gone through the steps, you'll be more familiar with the process the next time you file.